Oh, this looks like she's smelling something.
Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Bring it on back. Come on. Come on, Mocha. Come on. Come on, girl. Get it. Get it, girl. Come on. Come on. Bring it here. Come on.
Not much retriever.
I'm getting mad at me when I think you're doing that.
Where'd my hole go? The next one's yours. Did I lead it?
Look at that much. I felt broken stuff crunching inside, but its head is the main injury I see.
That's how number one shit you give me. Oh my god.
You brained
You
it.
give me number ones.
You can see down the spinal canal. Is that enough? Here, yeah, that'd be great. It's a little late there, dog.
Put it in this side, it looks a little more open.
Dang, bud. Seems hateful.
I think number one's a little bit much, Mark.
Well, the goal is to not eat the pellets.
Pellets, right.
So now we got a tailwind. We got a bird back, so she's probably going to be on. Come on, you good girl, good girl. Good dog, yeah. Good dog. You got it, Momo. Doberman hunting dog, huh?
Yeah, she picked up the scent really good. I just started giving tells just like kudu. Yeah, she's got the hunting instinct in her.
It's fun back there.
Yeah. Nice shot, nice shot.
Good girl.
Yeah, Mocha found it again.
Maxwell, come on, let's get that bird.
Mocha the wonder dog. And she's not running off either. Good girl, Mocha. Good girl.
Maxwell, come here, buddy. Come here, man. Max, look at this. Maxwell, come here.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Nice shot.
That was number 6 deal. Got one more of those left.
Should work good for the dogs that way. Oh, she's birdie. She sees something, I think. She's pointing. She's like a pointer.
Good girl, Momo. Good girl. Good girl. Where is it?
Pointing. She's a pointer. Good girl, Mocha. Good girl. Man, these ones pulverize them. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, well, they don't stay in the bird.
Holy crap. I almost felt like hamburger.
You want some number 5?
Let's go find a bird. Yeah. Yeah. Which one? That's a long shot too. That was a long shot.
They call it a cooperative effort. Something just up my eyes off it. That's what he said. But see, I don't remember one being put there, so that was all Momo. Or 2 guns, I think.
Good job. Oh, she's retrieving. She's retrieving.
Come on. That's a good dog. Sort of.
She's learning.
Come on, come on. You know, that's a good dog. I thought it was gone. I was just doing a Hail Mary. But I'm glad to see it went down. Well, if that's the second chucker that I don't remember, I might as well turn back because that's all I chucker.
Okay.
And like I said, the only thing that's remaining is 1 chucker or 1 pheasant. I can't believe we're doing this well.
That's because we got the superstar.
He's doing amazing.
I would never have guessed that a Doberman could do that. That they had the instinct in them like that.
I'm going number 5 now. I'm all out of steel.